Communities of practice are unique learning and doing environments. They were detailed in a great book from 1991 called Legitimate Peripheral Participation. And it basically suggests that novices and experts work together in certain environments, and the novices actually learn from the experts while the experts are doing some task. And over time, the novices take a little bit of responsibility and then a little bit more, and learn how to contribute to that environment while also contributing to that environment. So for an example that's used in that book is the example of midwives. So when a midwife is first being trained in certain areas, the first thing she goes through is just being in the room during childbirth. She experiences the different things that the experienced midwives are saying and doing and just kind of gets a feel for it. And then over time, she takes on a couple responsibilities and a couple more and learns a little bit more each day, and eventually is an expert herself and can start training her own novices. It's a very apprenticeship-driven approach. And in that book, they suggest that this is really one of the best ways to learn because you're learning right in the authentic context where you'll ultimately contribute to what you learned. But it presents a lot of difficulties for classroom learning because classrooms are completely opposite of this. You very rarely have classrooms where you really are doing what you're learning to do. You're learning it in one place, the idea being that you're going to go out into the world and then do it in a job or do it in a career. But in the classroom, you're not actually contributing. But this learning theory suggests that that's the opposite of a great way to learn. So the question is, can we create these kind of environments where this is simulated, where students are experiencing what it would be like to contribute a little more over time to this enterprise that they're trying to learn? Technology may be able to help us with this because with technology, we can create these kinds of simulations. We can simulate whatever career the students are going to go into and simulate giving them some of these responsibilities while AI agents or the simulation itself takes care of the rest. So we'll talk about the value of this educational approach as well as how we can use technology to really bring it to life.